Hello, I'm Jolinda Osborne. When I developed Sound American, I had in mind the people I've taught for over 20 years, in Fortune 500 companies and in many smaller organizations. Professionals from around the world who share the need to improve their speech because their career depends on clear, confident communication. At every step in the development of this comprehensive course, I've drawn on my experience teaching people like you and have incorporated the proven instruction and problem-solving tips that you can immediately put to use. You will learn how to pronounce each sound in American English and to speak with an American rhythm. Every video includes drawings of the mouth position for each sound, easy to understand pronunciation rules, and those important practice exercises to reinforce all that you've learned. Mastering pronunciation is challenging, in part because of what I call crazy American spelling. Sound American features the International Phonetic Alphabet, a tool to help you produce the 43 American sounds, especially those tricky vowel sounds. Practice makes perfect, so I've prepared all course material for you to print as your own reference manual for American English. When you speak American English correctly, you gain confidence by knowing that you're understood in any situation. So if you're ready to master American English and advance your career, I'm convinced that this course will help you achieve your goal. Keep working, be optimistic and encouraged by the practice that you do. Go back over the lessons whenever you can. Look at me and then compare yourself by looking at yourself in the mirror to make sure that the mouth formation is correct.